It is now 3 p.m. on May 12th Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested that EURUSD should go long with slight positions below 1.0873. After the release, the lowest price was 1.0901, which is 28 points away from the entry point. It rose to 1.0923 ahead of schedule, which is not a big increase. Then there is gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to go long with light positions below 2003. After the release, the lowest price was $2011.2, which was $8.2 away from the entry point, and it rose to 2022.2 ahead of schedule, with a cumulative increase of 110 points. The entry point given yesterday was relatively cautious, and the market did not give an opportunity to enter the market. So it is not an effective signal. Although yesterday's intraday pending order signals did not enter the market, the profit during this period was not bad. Lao Dai's main account has been using EA programs to cooperate with the quantitative trading of EURUSD and GBPUSD, superimposing intraday signals, and the monthly profit is stable at 8% to 13%. For consultation and cooperation, you can add the contact information at the top of the screen to find the cooperation mode that suits you. Those who want to trade on their own can choose to join the real-time reminder group to do intraday signals, and those who pursue stable returns can choose to join the account management business and bind our master account to carry out copy transactions. How to operate today? First, look at EURUSD. Last night, the US PPI was slightly lower than expected, just like the CPI data. The data was negative for the US dollar and bullish for non-US currencies. In terms of actual trends, EURUSD began to fall after a short-term surge. In addition to short-term funds leaving the market, it also shows that the market remains vigilant against interest rate policies and economic uncertainties. EURUSD are still fluctuating in the support range of 1.0920 to 1.0870, and there are signs of stabilization. It is recommended to pay attention to the bullish light position at 1.0880 within the day. EURUSD can go long at 1.0880 to 1.0815 and put stop loss at 1.0805. Gold is currently full of various voices, and it is expected to continue to fluctuate in a large range. However, with the release of multiple data from the Federal Reserve, although the expectation of interest rate cuts has not yet materialized, this round of interest rate hikes is considered almost to the limit. In addition to the support of 2010, the bottom 1998 is also the lowest point after the non-agriculture data last Friday. And the next step is an important support 1987. You can do long positions below 1998 within the day. It is recommended to go long in 1998 to 1987 and put the stop loss at 1985. It is easy to have short-term capital adjustment changes on Friday. Pay attention to reduce the number of lots and set a stop loss. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing, but is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Thomas Eliot.